Hello, baby. We're in Auntie's living room today, and I am going to read you Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson with pictures by Jane Chapman. This book is a very loved book. Your cousins loved it when they were little, and I read it a lot, almost every day for a long time. I want to show you something really quick before I start reading. It's one of my kitties. She wants to listen to us read today. You can only see her back, but her name is Maggie. I wanted you to know she was there. Okay, let's get started. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A hare is another word for a bunny or a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy-yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher, that's the gopher, and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They're all staying warm and cozy by the fire together and having a little party, and the bear is still sleeping through all of it. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. There's hare and wren and gopher and badger and mouse and raven and mole. And there's the bear still sleeping. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Mouse has climbed up to throw the seasoning in. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, whoops, achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. They're afraid they've made Bear very mad. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Well, they're all running, giving Bear some space. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Oh, look how happy Bear is. He's cuddling with Mole, and Mouse is on his foot, and Raven's talking, and Wren's on the other claw. And there's Badger, and Gopher, and Hare. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs, with delight. Then he spins tall tales. He tells them stories. Through the blustery night, when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Oh, they're using Bear as a big, soft, squishy bed. There's Mouse and Mole and Gopher and Badger, whoops, and Wren and Hare and Raven. Isn't that a fun story? I hope you enjoyed it. Auntie loves you. And so does Maggie. Oh, look at the kitty. Love you, baby. Thank you for reading Bear Snores On with me.